Unified communications is defined differently by many different vendors in the industry and many different trade magazines in the industry. And when we look at unified communications at Microsoft, we mean that we're actually going to unify the user's experience as well as unify the administrative experience in the back end. A lot of the competitors or a lot of others in this industry are attacking this space from specifically instant messaging or from specifically voice. And at Microsoft, it's about all the different touch points and all the different mechanisms that you communicate with, whether that's video, voice, SharePoint collaboration, whatever that communication mechanism happens to be. We want to make that experience seamless for the user, and honestly, we want to make it serious regardless of the device and regardless of the desktop that they're using. The Microsoft Unified Communications Platform is very open and it's very scalable, and it allows the customers to be able to deploy these technologies with minimal desktop footprint and allows the user to already leverage the desktop technologies that they are already familiar with. So one of the customers that I worked with very recently asked us if we could deliver these technologies with two simple requirements. They didn't want the users to have to go through additional training, and they didn't want us to actually place additional technologies on the desktop. So using our API platform, we were able to take our voice, our video, our instant messaging technologies and embed them into their existing applications, which simplified the user interface, delivered all the features that they needed, and added no additional clients to the desktop side. So simplifying that unified communications experience from end to end for both the user and the administrator once again. In today's environment, we're not buying technology anymore for technology's sake, right? We need to justify that particular expense. And a lot of the justification, a lot of the drivers that we see in today's market are driven by reducing costs but delivering services. Governments are trying to increase the way that they leverage social media and reach out to people through social media and through new media technologies, and UC is a big part of that. At the same time, they're trying to increase the amount of teleworking they can do, but they need to increase that teleworking so that they can overall reduce their cost footprint, reduce their carbon footprint, and be able to provide users with the same experience at home or when they're mobile that they may otherwise have within the office. And the capability to do that is built into and is inherent to the Office Communication Server and the Unified Communications Platform from Microsoft. The security is inherent as part of the solution. It's not a bolt-on that they have to go add. So the end user has the same experience really regardless of where they are. Another thing that we offer here at Microsoft is our software plus services strategy, our software plus services solutions. And in the software plus services model, we give you the capability to leverage these technologies in the cloud if and when needed, and on-premise if and when needed, and also provide you a combination of both so that the user can have access to those technologies, again, regardless of where they are or that platform that they might be leveraging. While many of our customers are focused on reducing costs through teleworking and reducing the number of servers and systems in their back-end infrastructure, many customers are also concerned in today's environment about continuity of operations. And leveraging our solution for unified communications, again, they have the same experience in the office that they have out of the office. And if the customer wants to leverage our data center in conjunction to their data centers to provide that with that continuity of operations platform, that's a seamless transition for the user and a standard part of our offering.